The timeless beauty of Urdu poetry. Urdu poetry, known for its elegance and depth, holds a special place in the literary world. This rich tradition, steeped in history and emotion, has captivated the hearts of many. From the romantic ghazals to the profound najms, Urdu poetry offers a spectrum of themes and styles that resonate deeply with its audience. The essence of Urdu poetry. Urdu poetry is characterized by its beautiful language and the ability to convey deep emotions with brevity and grace. It often explores themes of love, longing, beauty, and the human condition, drawing readers into a world where feelings are delicately intertwined with words. Famous forms of Urdu poetry. Ghazal. Perhaps the most popular form, ghazals are lyrical poems that express the pain of loss and the beauty of love. Each couplet stands alone, yet all are connected by a common theme. Example.
दिल ही तो है न संगो खश दर्द से बर न आए क्यों रोएंगे हम हजार बार कोई हमें सताए क्यों.
The heart is but a stone and brick, why shouldn't it fill with pain? I will cry 1,000 times, why should anyone torment me? Nazm, a more free-form type of poetry, najms can be about any subject and often explore social issues, philosophy, and personal reflections. They are less structured than ghazals and allow the poet to delve deeply into their thoughts. Example.
एक उलझा सवाल है मेरा एक कामिल जवाब हो जाए आग बख्शी हिसाब से पहले मेरे मालिक जवाब हो जाए.
Often written in praise of kings or patrons, qasidas are long, elaborate poems. They are less common today but remain a testament to the grandiosity and grandeur of classical Urdu poetry. Legendary Urdu poets. Mirza Ghalib, renowned for his profound and often melancholic ghazals, Ghalib's poetry is a cornerstone of Urdu literature. His exploration of love, loss, and existential angst continues to touch readers. Faiz Ahmed Faiz, a modern poet, Faiz's works reflect his revolutionary spirit and concern for social justice. His poems often carry themes of resistance and hope, making him a voice of the oppressed. Allama Iqbal. Known as the poet of the East, Iqbal's poetry is deeply philosophical, addressing themes of self-discovery, spirituality, and the revival of the Muslim world. The impact of Urdu poetry. Urdu poetry transcends time and geography, influencing not just South Asia but also the broader world. Its ability to express the subtleties of human emotions makes it universally relatable. Today, Urdu poetry continues to thrive, finding new expressions in modern forms such as music, films, and digital media. Conclusion. The beauty of Urdu poetry lies in its simplicity and depth. It is a testament to the power of words to move the heart and soul. Whether you are a lifelong aficionado or a curious newcomer, delving into the world of Urdu poetry promises a journey filled with profound insights and emotional resonance.